So far, we have been mainly drawing notes on the stave. The exception is middle C. Notice how we use an extra line to draw the middle C. This is called a ledger line. We use ledger lines to write notes that have a pitch higher than the last note on the stave or lower than the lowest note on the stave. That is, any note higher than this G on the treble clef, or any note that is lower than this D on the treble clef, or any note that is higher than this B on the bass clef, or lower than this F on the bass clef. With ledger lines, we can keep writing notes higher and higher, or lower and lower, until there is no instrument that can play them. What is this note? Did you get D? Good job. There are some rules that we need to follow when using ledger lines. When drawing a note that needs ledger lines, only use as many ledger lines as you need. If the note is above the stave, the last ledger line we draw is the one that goes through the note or the one that lies below it, but no ledger line should ever go above it. If we are drawing a note below the stave, the lowest ledger line we draw will be the one that goes either through the note or the one that lies above the note. But no ledger lines should be below the note. Remember to draw your ledger lines one above the other neatly, with spaces that are equal to the spaces we see between the stave lines. Now, let's test your ledger line technique. First, let's write a B above the stave on treble clef. Like so. Now, let's try to write a B below the stave on the treble clef. Like so. Good job.